how to do a headlight replacement on a 2006 or 2007 Subaru Impreza. I'm just doing the low beams here today. You want to get this guy out of the way. I just tuck him up under this hose, keeps him right out of the way. You have a round plastic cap right there. You want to turn it counterclockwise. Sometimes they're stiff, grab a rag. Make a note that the point is at the very top when you want to put it back in. Now my car specifically only has these two little, I think somebody tried fixing it down the road. I've just got two little boots on the end of my wires. And my bulb's right there. And as you can see, when I move my finger right at the top here, there we go, you can see it there. It's a little pin. There's one on each side of them. You want to push into the center, then push out, and the whole entire unit flips down. Before you do that, you want to unpull these wires, because sometimes you can't get the bulb out. There's not enough space in here, and when this guy isn't retained, it's impossible to pull these wires off of there. So put it back on. You just take those wires, the little retaining clip, you pull it to the center and then push it down, pull it to the center, push it down. Pop the wires back on. That's one, that's two, that's two, and let's see how this works out. Oh yeah, that looks like money right there. So that's all you have to do to change a headlight on a 2007 Impreza. And literally just reverse, put it all back together here, put your cap on. Make sure you don't push on your wires too much. Points at the top. And clockwise. And that's sealed all back up. Same thing for over here. You can either pop this guy out right here, or you can just pop it off right there and spin it. Same thing right here, counterclockwise. Down there, you got your wires. I'll try and flip this over for you here a little bit. Right in there for you. That's the clip you want to push right there. I hope that's helpful for you. Because the first time I did it, it's trial and error. Good luck.